Can you tell this honorable court your full name?
Elizoba Kooti yayongera kugenda omisho okurikiza orubanja orwa Okello Christopher ori kugambwa kuba yisire abaana bana kandi Elizoba yagira ngu Emanja zoona Akazikora Atakigyendereire nagira ngu emishango eshemereire kumwiwaho ngu ahabw'okushanga ngu ebi yakozire akaba atabigyendereire.
What do you mean by account? Do I first?
No, you had the evidence.
Yes.
Now, what do you say
My defense?
in your defense?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I'm going to say I believe I am not guilty on the 4 counts. Because I was not intentional. I didn't intentionally cause the death of the 4 children.
Yashoborera Kooti ngu hariho na n'okushanga ngu akaba atari kurungi omu mutwe ekyareetiire abaana banaaba okufa.
So, my lord, many claims were raised that I was completely fine mentally, and yet, my lord, it is possible that there were other kinds of mental challenges that could have gone undetected, perhaps, and yet contributed or caused the death of the 4 children. So,
Ubwo Yagambira Kooti ngu kurugirira ahabikoteizire nehurira ngogu n'omuntu murungi kandi ori kutura aine emirimo mingi ngu ebi nibishoborora ngu ebintu ebi yakozire akabikora atakigyendereire.
yeah, I'm going to contend that I am a person said to be of generally good moral character, and is also said to be affectionate and kind, and is also very busy, and he's said to be focused on his work, and is very, very hardworking.
Ubwo yayongera yagambira Kooti ngu hariho na n'abandi bantu ababiri bamuri enyuma abo yagambaho nk'abantu ababiri bajwire gye bari kuvuga motoka nsiya kandi z'ebbeeyi abo yagira ngu bakareebeka batari bantu ba butosha nabo abayongeserize aha branch oru orw'obwisi.
They wore very new clothes, and they would greet me by my first name, "Hey Chris," and just proceed walking. So an encounter with these ones, my lord, it was just they would come from the opposite direction, and we meet along the path, and then they proceed further down as I proceed ahead, and that's the end of the encounter, my lord.
Aha abajurizi bana abo Okello araganise kureetera Kooti izobe lya nyamwabazyo erizoba hareebekaho abantu babiri abarimu omurumuna owari kuzaarwa nawe wareebekaho omu Kooti kandi ogu yagambira Kooti aha bintu ebi arikumanya ahari Okello biita amaziina ge tibaayikiriza kugatura.
I need to name witnesses or?
No, you don't name your witnesses. Your lawyers requested that we don't name them.
Okay, fine. We'll see how.
Kooti yayongezebwayo okwisya aharw'okubanza ebiro 27 by'okwezi kwa kana aha shaha 3 z'akasheshe okweyongera kuhurikiza aha ndiijo mujurizi ou Okello arareete. Amakuru aga gashakwa Jonani Mwebembezi aha bwa Tayari West.
Okay,